One of the nice things about working with Windows is that once you're done with a program, if you're going to use it again, you don't need to close it. For example, if you're going back and forth between 2 or 3 programs, you can just leave all of the programs open. However, if you leave the window maximized or open, like the windows on this screen, it starts to get kind of cluttered with all these programs open. And what you'll find is eventually you'll kind of lose the window that you're trying to find. So one thing that's helpful is if you go down to the lower right-hand corner of the screen, this box right here, if you hover over it, it'll show the desktop. It'll show you the outlines of all the programs that are open, but you can actually see the desktop. Maybe there's an icon you're trying to get to that's on the desktop. And if you click on this button, it'll minimize all the programs down to the taskbar. Now, once you've minimized all these programs, you may find that you need to open them back up. And what you can do is hover over the icons on the taskbar and get a mini screenshot of each of the programs until you find the program that you actually wanted to open. Maybe you're looking for Internet Explorer and you can't quite find it, and there it is. And you'd actually see a preview of the page that you were looking at. In this case, it says blank page because we didn't have an actual web page open. Another way that you can scroll through all of the open windows is by holding the Alt button down and pressing the Tab key. And what you can do is individually go through all the windows that you had open till you get back to the desktop view and let go and you're on your desktop. Now another neat feature is that you can do the same thing, but instead of using the Alt key, use the Window key and press Tab again, and you get a 3D view of all the windows that are open. Once you get to what you want, just let go and that window opens and you can begin working with that program again. Another way that you can minimize all the programs, and it's a new feature in Windows 7, is if you have all these programs open again and there's a lot of clutter on your screen, you can just take one window or the program that's on top, click and hold the left mouse button down and shake it a little bit, and all the programs minimize automatically. And now you're left with this program being the only open window on your screen.